Hello. Mic test. Hello. Hello. Hey, moving up. 2 minutes left.
One minute remaining for the market on open imbalance. Ten seconds.
I wanted to sweep these highs here.
Market on open imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 227 million. Nasdaq 100 buy side
Nah, we're gonna get a
297
dip.
million. Dow 30 buy side 77 million. Mag 7 buy side 186 million.
I wanted to dip to like 233s and then we can maybe long it.
US stocks extend fall. The Nasdaq down 1.42%. Microsoft shares up 1.2% off the back of Bill Ackman saying they will disclose a new position in the company later on Friday. Philadelphia Semiconductor Index falls 3.6%, the most since March.
I'm gonna see if it go down a little. Oh, it got me. I made money already on accident. I was trying to go lower. See if it bounces here or goes up. I feel like it should come down a little more. I mean, that's the 61%. You. Wow, what a rip up. I'm gonna wait though, because that's just a big candle. What was that 100-point candle almost? Holy shit.
Trump to Fox says didn't underestimate anything on Iran. Nvidia shares fall 3.6% at the open, the biggest drop since April 30th. And Fox News airs clip of Trump interview.
So Trump's speaking on Fox. Now, we got a rejection both ways, so I would probably just wait just a little bit here. Eh. Ah, man, it's blowing my fun in Asia. Sucks, brother. Asia is gonna be choppy, man. Asia, you gotta accept it. Like, it's either going to be like good price action or it's not. Come and get your love. Okay, we're coming down. Very good. I was looking more for like 175s. When last night or that sucks. All right, 15 seconds. Dude, these are huge candles. This is a buy here, but this is huge candles, man. All right, we'll try one. Yeah, dude, these are huge. Try two. Alexandra, thank you. That was very nice.
Ford shares dropped 5% in the biggest fall since April 30th.
Come and get your love. Happy Friday. This is scary because it can go both ways here. I mean, we got a nice rejection off of these order blocks in the bottom. But, you know, it can go lower. It can go higher. There's another one down here. Na 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 na. These candles are huge though. Like, I'm only in 2 micros and it's $160 and it's barely moved. Well, if you compare it to the others, what was this? Then I missed on the shorts and blue account while trying to long gold. Yikes, brother. It happens, man. Do you know what you did wrong? What? Things are gonna get easier. Market maker, Costadis, what's up? Well, it's 300 on gold, but stop loss to 50. It blew past it, got 5 P&L with negative 20 fees. Oh, you want a small account, dude? Man, this might not go up. $25K. Then why did you blow it? Is what you're telling me. Wow, this thing is. That's a huge fucking candle.
China's Ministry of Commerce met with Qualcomm president. The Philadelphia Semiconductor Index falls 3.9%.
No news either. It's just people talking. If we can get a bounce here, we should be Gucci.
China's Commerce Minister met with Visa CEO.
Oh, child. Bro, this is the 80% pullback, man. Gotta get some kind of bounce here. Yeah, I'm unfunded, yep. Mr. Bastard. Morning. These candles are huge, though, dude. Huge. We literally just had like 150 point swings, even bigger. I think we're definitely gonna go up even higher than this, but take out 2. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. These candles are fucking huge, though. Yeah, dude. It's like you do one micro is a lot of fucking money. Look at this fucking candle here. Kind of want to like do like a sympathy bounce here. To the upside. Semi gamble. I just feel like it's gonna bounce a little bit because this is like a 3-bar play kind of strategy. What? All right, I was gonna say, dude, that doesn't fill. Not too bad, not too bad. It was looking scary for a second there, but we had so many levels here, and I'm like, they're bouncing and slowing down. We're good, we're Gucci. All right, so this one's filled. I thought it was gonna stop here. Came down, ripped into this though. Boner candles, you're getting jealous? Thank you for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Alex, thank you. Thank you, Sebastian. This is really hard. Na 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 na. Gonna say this might be a long here in the 30-second. Again, another scalp though, guys. Be careful. But I'm okay with taking small. So I'm on a 30-second chart. This is an order block, fully block right here. Comes down, rejects. We got a reversal candle. And then hopefully we can get to the 50%. We should get past that, but let's just take a little bit out of cash. You know, quick 80 bucks. You wouldn't miss me by a quarter point there. Come on. There you go. Come on. I think it wants it. I want to go one more, but I'm scared. These things are, these candles are wild, boy. Wow, boy. I'm only in 2 micros, and I don't think I'm gonna go in more than that. Because if it does swoop down, it's gonna hurt. Because this thing is wild. You can see it. Bucks. See, like, it's already 400 bucks. I didn't even fucking do anything. But if this holds, it's gonna go up high. Let's see how this candle reacts here. If it swoops through, it might be bad. Like, and holds. Oh, shit. See, like, $600 already on this. Jesus Christ. I don't think there's even any... This isn't good. Got a soul collector, though, so let's see if it pops back up. Got the ore below. It just broke below. Mr. Cowboy, any news? No, it's just, there's nothing. Well, let's see why, like, overall dropping. Let's see, I don't know. Industrial production was good. A U.S. interest rate futures now reflects more than 50% probability of a Fed rate hike by January. That's next fucking year. Holy fuck, dude. See? $900 on fucking 2 micros. Crazy. I mean, I'm copy trading 3 funded accounts, but still. What the fuck? That just keeps dropping on me. 29K. As soon as I take it out, it's gonna rip up, dude. I don't want to go in one more just in case. Get out. I'll take a break even at this point. Come on, break above this candle. This happened yesterday. Where it would just soul collect us. And then go in the direction that we thought it was originally going to go. Pretty annoying. Still a little difficult though.
Fucking smile on my face.
Alice with the heart. Thank you for paying my rent. I appreciate it. Look at this thing. Fucking bananas. Oh my god. That's still very difficult though. Yeah, we got a soul collector here. But that was pretty big. I'm gonna just look to see if there's any news.
UK 30-year yield climbs 20 basis points to 5.86%, the highest since 1998. Treasury 20-year yields rise 10 basis points on the day.
So it looks like we're Trump and China must have really talked about something because he says they're thinking about lifting up China and Iran oil, whatever. I knew there was like a little bit of heated conversation though, where they're both like, China's like, you're not gonna get in between me and Taiwan, and China's like, I mean, Trump's like, you sure about that? You sure about that? You sure about that? Sure about that? We'll see what happens when we get to 121s. If we get to like 121 area and it rejects, then it'll be good. Up here, I feel like the risk reward is a little bit scary. Money. Yeah. Guys, I'll be doing one giveaway later on today. I'm going to post it in Discord. Probably around 4 p.m. So make sure you guys are back on live to view. I'll make a an announcement around like 11 or 12. just putting around sideways here. Let's look at everything else. Nvidia is making this a decision here too. You're in shorts valid? Yeah, I'm looking for more a pullback to see if we can go long, but if we come up higher to 75s, then I would do it. 223. You're like right there, dude. I think up. Around this area is where I think Tom, nice, bro. Nice, dude. Hell yeah. You did a good job with taking your time on that too. Alright, we're at that area. So, I don't want to get in it if this candle's too huge. I need like another small candle here. Get music, why, boy? They didn't reach it yet. Play that funky music for me. We're very close, very close. I hope it doesn't stay in this zone, because this is going to be really choppy. Whenever it stays in the middle of the orb, it sucks D. I like Apex. Why don't you like it, Costanis? Now the rules are much easier. There we go. This is what I needed. Got 30 seconds left, though. Let's see. The only thing that I don't like is the activation fee is a tad bit high. But, you know, you're not paying that huge upfront cost. It's almost the same price. It's like 75. If you pass in activation, yeah, almost 2. But if you fail Lucid, then you spent, you know, more money. Okay, I'm going to short here. Shorting, good rejection. Now, does it want the bigger one? Or does it want the small one? A lot of us fail a lot on the evals. Oh, you want on a... Oh, nice. Hell yeah. That's fucking free money, baby. So, it's either gonna reject here or... The 50% is literally right here, dude. What a banger. I'm taking it out. I'm taking it out. We're at the 50%. Fuck it. And there's a bully block here, so we'll have to see in how it reacts. I like Apex, and I'm gonna keep promoting Apex. It's the only platform where you can make 120K a month. Thanks, Cowboy. Very nice of you. Did you trade today? Yeah, Steven, the candles are huge, dude. Huge. It's scary. Now, I'm looking for 126, and guess what? This is the value low, too, for the volume profile. Break even right now? Hey, but that's still pretty good. No, I'm going to keep promoting Apex. I don't know why you guys are hating on Apex so much.
Down 3%.
$128 long you're looking at? I'm looking at like a swipe of 120. And then I'll see how it reacts there. Then I'll long it. Very true, Kasanis. Very true. Cowboy says, I'm with them. I don't like Apex. You know, it really has saved me a few times. Their 1K pass, 1K drawdown. Damn, just didn't go down. Did you get that, valid? I feel like this needs to go down a little more. So, Apex, in my opinion, so like, I don't care what you guys say. I don't believe that you guys pass your first evals all the time. I wish that you guys would do. I'm just being real. You get your $35 up front, right? So a lot of you guys fail. The $35 is you're wasting only $35 and you could restart again. Now, if you were to do the same thing on, say, Lucid, which I love Lucid, guys. I love Lucid too. You're wasting a lot of money in between. What prop firm was that, Stevie? Apex? Yeah. Don't get me wrong, I do wish the eval was a little bit less money. I think I paid 120 bucks. That was a little bit excessive. Too many's in a dream. Yeah, but the Legends is now live drawdown. It's not end of day. Same thing to learn. Nah, I don't know. They need to lower their correct, Castanis, correct. But there's a midline between what you're saying too. If you're really good, you can literally make 120 G's from Apex a month. You're not doing that anywhere else. I'm still waiting to see. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Ballad.
Xinhua, China's
You're
foreign
going
minister
in
Wang
heavy,
Yi,
bro.
ties with the US, says teams on two sides are still working on details for outcomes on trade.
So bull knocks. The rules are cool, but they only offer what do they offer? It's like ninja only? It's something. They only offer something that I don't know. Throws me off. Okay, so this is the I hate that it could ping pong here though. Rhythmic, yeah, that's it. Rebels funded? That sounds like a pirate, bro. Yes, Bull Knox is good. Yeah, they only offer like very minimal platforms. That now I remember. Okay, so this is a not a buy yet, but soon. Problem is that these candles are huge, dude. Put a 30-second. Let's see.
And China's foreign minister Wang Yi calls for the
All right, I'm
reopening
gonna
of the
buy
trade
one
talks
now.
as soon as possible. According to Xinhua, China and US agree trade and investment councils.
So the 1 minute still didn't do it. The 30-second did bounce off the order block. But
And furthermore, from Xinhua,
you
China
know,
and
1
US
minute stronger than a
urge expansion
30-second.
of two-way trade.
Who's talking now? A break above 91 sends it up though. There is a level down here at 120s. So pick your poison. They're going too heavy. And these candles are huge, dude. Please be careful. The candles are really bunched up. You guys are probably looking at my screen like, what the fuck? There's too much of a mess. $15 seconds for that candle. Then it would be 186 would be longing it if it does break above. Okay, I'm going to put another order right above 186.
So a bit furthermore from China's foreign minister Wang Yi saying agreed to promote the expansion of two-way trade under the framework of reciprocal tariff reductions.
And then my first TP would be 208 if we open this order. And then after that, we'll make the next judgment after.
Well, hello everybody, this is Dono J.
Make sure everything's working here. Oh, I forgot to put the video on. Bad. On Discord.
And China says Taiwan is the most important issue.
All right, we're in
China-US
long.
relations.
Don't stop me. We're almost there. Get my first hit. All right, route 1. It's a really large candle. Wonder if we should just take it because the candles are just so fucking large. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Just check and make sure I'm live on all the other apps. See, plus 300. Nice, Steven. Nice. We could go right up to 260s. I mean, that was a pretty good bounce off that fair value gap. It probably will. And it's a bullish bull candle. I'm going to try one. One long. But this is more of a... maybe a slight gamble. Let's see. Should go up. There you go. TP, I'm looking for like 258s. Maybe even like 254s. I usually don't stop, Steven, until some of you guys can argue that I've been doing bad with this, but I usually will get off if I start losing too much. Usually. Fuckers. Damn, that shit just missed it. Do I try again? Another one? Nice pullback bounce. Usually. So 2 weeks ago I did pretty bad. Well, I was making 10K a day 2 weeks ago and I was losing it all in one day. But usually, before that, I can control my emotions and I'm like, alright, this isn't good. Bully, why don't you like Tradeify? Because it's 3 days to pass. I did join their challenge. That's coming up next week. I think it's gonna be if I can get to the next level, that might be really good for us bully bears, you know, like put us on the map there. Cause 1v1, I think I'm better. Some of those guys get some nice swings, but on the day, I think if we get a nice day, I think I'm pretty Gucci. Why, Stevie? Why I ruin the vibe? Why are we ruining the vibe here? Yo, how much did you make on that, Valid? I'd rather take 3 days to pass eval than 5 days for a payout, but that's just me. Depending on what you're doing. Are you doing the daily? Now, the daily payout, that might be okay for. Might not be bad. But, it's 5 days to pass the other one. Very nice, valid. What size account was that on, dude? It was at the 100? You know it's coming. Wow, that's pretty nice of you, bro. Oh, the 100K rapid? Nice. But overall, I feel like if you're going to do the 5 days to pay out on Tradeify, you might as well do Flex because it's cheaper. And it's instant payout. Yeah, the Rapid does look pretty nice for my funded futures for sure. My funded futures does seem like it's... Every once in a while I'll go to them. Wow, this thing fucking ripped right past what I wanted to. So we're either going to reject at around 350 or we're going to take these highs. But we are rejecting now, so let's see. Kind of like equal highs here, right? All-time highs, you're saying? Yeah, it's my funded futures. Well, my funded futures back in the day had a rough start too, man. They were doing shady shit, but there's no more shadiness with them. They've grown big enough to handle everything. It's really there with the old heads, Top Step and Apex. Yeah. Did you see Top Step has instant payouts now?
Trump 2 Fox on Taiwan says if keep at it. Excuse me.
All-time highs, you're thinking, Nico?
As is, China's okay with it. So again, Trump 2 Fox on Taiwan says if keep it as
Yeah, it was a nice down breakout here. If you look at the value
Trump 2 Fox
low,
says US policy in Taiwan has not changed.
You can see that we just ripped past it and then we
Trump 2 Fox
collected. So this was a
says,
good
"I want China
discount.
to cool down."
Cowboy says, I don't mind the 3 days pass. I've blown so many trying to pass in one day. Yeah, it's not bad. I don't like the 5 days pass. Like, take Profit Trader. I don't like it. It makes me gamble. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't know what the hell Top Step was doing, bro. I got away from them when they kept having their data mess ups. I was like, yeah, this is shady. And they were all on large days, on large movements. So I was like, this is bullshit.
Trump on Taiwan says not looking to travel 9,500
Yeah,
miles to fight
exactly,
war.
Gustanis.
And Trump to Fox discourages Taiwan going interdependent.
I was like, dude, I would be up like 10 G's right now. Why is it not working all the time? 29K even?
So Fox posts a transcript
Oh,
of
wait.
Trump interview with Brett Baer.
You threw me off there, Nico, on that last one. Their platform used to crash on a market open. I lost 15K. Yeah, dude, it's they were playing. They knew you knew what they were doing, dude. You know what they were doing. One time, okay. 2 times, 3 times, shame on fucking me. And those were days where it was like perfect price action. You know damn well they were fucking... They were crashing it on purpose so they didn't have to pay out. Because there was probably huge paydays. Yeah, gold ruined a lot of prop firms, FYI. Even Apex, I don't think they could handle it, dude. That's why they went to that new fucking form. Dude, gold, that was up like $60,000 on Apex. I lost it, though. I got some of it out, but I lost it. Oh, if it goes back down. Okay. That gold was insane, though.
Trump to Fox says Taiwan should feel neutral after my meeting with President Xi.
Trump's still speaking. So he's talking about Taiwan. Now, remember, we wanted Taiwan, the USA, because they made so many chips, right? Not guac chips, computer chips, guys. They were pushing out. All right, this is a short for me, but I don't know if I love it. But this is a short. I'm gonna do one small. Might take out the high. How many other levels are there here? So we gotta be careful with this one. Sorry, I'll be quiet for a second. I want to watch. So, the reason why we wanted Taiwan before to make sure that China doesn't get it is because of the chips, the computer chips. Now, Trump is saying that we are on target to be having 50% of computer chips. He's a little bit optimistic. But we're in route to becoming like 50% of the world's chips, he was saying. Which is kind of wild when Taiwan was that person. So now I'm wondering if like we're like, fuck it, have it. I wonder if we're gonna be like that now. I don't know. See, this is at least fighting the area. Yeah, I'm shorting it. It could go up, but we got some areas here. If we can break below 355s, I think that's gonna confirm my short even more again. Looks a little strong at the same time though, so I have to accept it for wrong here. So yeah, that's my opinion on Taiwan. And it kind of seems like Trump's backtracking on it too, like saying like, yeah, I don't want to fight a war. He says, I'm not looking to travel 9,500 miles to fight a war. Talking about Taiwan. But he said Taiwan should feel neutral after my China meeting. So, whatever that meeting was about in China made him feel a little bit different. Even though, you know, he blamed China for COVID the whole time. That must have been a weird meeting, dude. I wonder if that came up. China. I think oil bounced and pulled back on indices. Yeah, dude. As soon as Iran, you know that we're pulling in more oil than we were a year ago, right? They're just fear mongering right now. The oil companies saying that we need to pay for if it goes up higher. You know. Yeah, where is the 5-minute cloud? Yeah, orb high, 95s. But, you know, it could... Regardless if this fails and rips up, it still was a good point to try. You know, we got some rejection here. It's got to get past this 331s, though, and, like, fall. So the reason why I took this short was we had a bully block here. And look at the wicks. Wick, wick, wick. All reverse hammers, right? Finally, it starts to collapse. Now, we have a soul collector also with the order block, and we're getting an anchor now. So, a lot of reasons to fall right now. The only thing holding it up is the 1-minute VWAP, and we got a cloud here. It can come back up to 337s and then reject there. Your soul is mine. I usually like to do it after we win it. So soul collector, anchor. We do need a higher, lower high though. But it doesn't seem like we might not get it here. And to be honest with you, there's no real fair value gap here. We do have the orb high at 293, so just be careful in this area. If you want to take your TP here, go for it. That 300 level, you know, it could be heavy. Oh, this is a perfect time to look at the volume footprint, guys. Okay, volume footprint tells you the delta. Delta's winning by 974, 1,000. So what that is there is 1,000 more shorts than long. But look, it's starting to get eaten up. So if this turns green, then I'm out.
Energy Secretary Wright says US could easily double natural gas exports with no impact on domestic prices.
Okay, it still was minus, but there we go. Okay. Where's the 5-minute cloud? Are we on it? I feel like 5 minutes better for the footprint. Oh, it's down. Okay, more. Okay. So you can see a lot of the buying is in this area. It needs to rip past. It needs to fall down lower than this. A lot of buys in the bottom. A lot of shorts on the top here, so let's see. Wow, this is a massive amount of volume here. 1 minute left. Oh yeah, it's winning. 3,000 shorts now. 3,000 more shorts. 4,000 more shorts. All right, a win. There's your volume footprints. Yeah, we're on the cloud now in the 5 minute. Look at that, the orb high too. 291s. Just chilling. Did you get in on that? On that bounce? I didn't want to get in yet because the 50% is here at 234s. Nice. Just keep it tight. Stevie, don't lose it. Don't lose it, Stevie. You know, I'm not gonna fall to your level. I hope you pass, Stevie. I hope you pass. You need this $109. I believe in you. How does it feel? How does it feel? Don't blow it. Feels great. Okay. So, this fell a lot, dude. Holy shit. What was that, almost 700 points today in one day? That is a lot to fall, dude. Amping you up. You're a sick fuck. You're a sicko. Dude, I just can't get any viewerships in the morning time. All those other guys fucking eat up the viewership.
US Energy Secretary Chris Wright says the US will replenish every barrel of oil it releases from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve, speaking at an event in Texas.
Let's see if I'm even on here.
you're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time.
I'm not even on here, bro.
.com/purchase and save 67%
I don't get
on
it.
subscription.
I don't fucking get why TikTok punishes me so much, man. I'm not even on here, dude. It might. I'm gonna restart TikTok. Sorry, guys. There's no point in me streaming if I can't get anybody. Hold on, let me redo it. I'll be back in 10 seconds. Actually, give me 1 minute because it says an update. Fucking bullshit, bro. I wish I could just get away from TikTok. But it pulls in too many viewerships. Did I, so I only needed 12% left. I think I can get a max payout on, my one Apex. I feel like I should, pause that account.
Microsoft hit session high 2.8% as Ackman builds a new stake.
Why does it say add a camera? I have a camera. The video is really going sideways, man. Mr. Bass. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for coming back. This is the long right here. But we're into another, you know, block. You think I care? You think I care? You think I fucking care? You think I care? Nah, I'm gonna be saying that all day. You know I always do, bro. Thank you, Mr. Bastard. Thank you, kind sir. It was just a saying. Man, I almost longed this and it did go up. The thing that's throwing me off is we got an order block here. Right fucking here, bro. So it's like, does it break through or not? Does it break through or not? Hello. Is this working, my connection? Gotta check for myself. Does it sound okay? They have some new audio settings on TikTok. That's what that download was. Alright, cool. Thank you, Mary.
Daddy, is that
There we
you?
go. Now we got a follower.
The Roaring Ape. Welcome to the show, Daddy.
Probably was a good scalp, but a little tricky. Gold sideways. Oil. Dude, oil's ripping up again. What? I don't think Trump said anything crazy. As it rips up, takes out these highs. Oil might be a good short at one point here, around like the 100s. Looks like it's gonna deny it again too. Form a cup and handle, 1 minute. Yeah, you're right. I can't remember if we had a cup and handle pattern here. I think we used shapes last time. Whoa. A little ugly, but it's there. Now, this needs to do like a 50%, though. It doesn't have to, but... Close. Yeah, it's bullish. If it breaks the cup handle high, which is 383s, but it usually likes to do 50%, but it can do 38%, so 384s, which would be the 1-to-1 ratio anyway, so it should be the break to go higher if it does. Oh, around current price. I don't see the cup and handle there. That's a sloppy one. If it breaks the flag point, it needs to be a little bigger than that for a cup and handle, in my opinion. Like this whole thing here, how it swoops down and up. Now, if it starts to break, because this is the handle, if it starts to break to the upside, that would be bullish. This small one, if that's what you're saying, I don't believe that's not enough. But this handle here might be enough. So that's like where I'm trying to figure it out. I'm gonna have to see here. Like if you wanted to count this as a cup and handle, it would be a smaller move to the upside if it did. So maybe it's a cup and handle with a cup and handle inside the teacup handle. Beautiful song. This came out in the 70s? Shit. Let's make a fork. Oh my god. Let's get a spoon. Let's get a spoon for next. Yeah, so I feel like it needs to do the 50% first. Oh, you wanted to have good karma now, Stevie, right? Because you need you want that $100? I knew it. Might get a little scalper along here. Oh, that ripped up really quick. I want to long it, but we're on the orb high again. Like, do you think it finally cracks through too? There it goes. I'm gonna do a long above 305s if it comes back up. Lex, yeah, dude, I don't know what's going on, man. I just get I get beat up here. It's like I'm shadowed. Might be shadowed. The name? Because it says bully? Maybe. Imagine? No, I have a TikTok agent. He says he doesn't understand either. So I'm like, oh, great. That's great. We love TikTok. You're the bully, bro. Not me. Alright, I'm gonna close. I'm not gonna open this up because it's falling now. I want you to blow my couch. No. I just wanted to put the pressure on you. Like you do to me, you know? How you're like, don't blow it, bully. Don't blow it. Tweak says, killing it again. I see you just pass it by saying, what's up? Where you been, Tweak? You taking a break, bro? Is this just... Ooh. And the green? It's not a bad call, Stevie. It's not. Oh my god, guys. How am I in the dungeon? Wasn't in the dungeon yesterday. No, I must have adjusted the whole thing. 2,300 I should be at. Oh, I should be doing clock and manual. Gotcha. Mama. Yeah, taking a break. I'm gonna come back and follow every rule now, though. Why do I keep getting this weird stuff below you? It says, didn't complete the Heart Me mission. And then it says below you, fan status is frozen under you, Tweak. What the hell? I don't see any good entries yet, guys. I love TikTok. Let's see what the... None of you guys are updating your P&L, bro. On the dungeon game. I want you guys to, keep yourself accountable. The funded tower. The soul collector is the top. Third tier is a comfort tier. You got a nice little lounge chair. A little dirty. But you got Amazon boxes coming in. Damn, I might need to change this view. The poor family, Apple Jacks. The dungeon tier. Cleaning the rats, baby. Oh, 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 oh. I love TikTok. You got negative 1K. You can do the P&L on your own too now. You can upgrade it. You just do the slash, and then you could do clock in manual. So it's not too hard for you guys. For me, for me. Gold still going sideways. Oil's still moving. There's that fucking short I was talking about too. There you go. Hold yourself accountable. I like it, Tweak. It's not always rainbows and butterflies, right? You are now in the dungeon. You're cleaning the rats. You're in there with Nova, so you're not alone. Yeah, I see oil. It's we're gonna see here what it does. If it can come up here to 100 again and then reject, we could short that. But it's still kind of slow. Same time. It's like big candle, stair step, big candle, stair step, big candle, stair step. To me. We got a lot of likes. We got 6,000 likes, no? This is true, though. You did rip those likes, Stevie. He's trying to buy his karma back, guys. I will be doing a giveaway today, guys. Around 4 p.m. I will announce it in Discord. Probably around lunchtime, and then I might do the top person that does this that has the most likes after 12 might win. But I'll probably hop off like an hour and a half for lunch, and then I'll get back on. But 4 p.m. you have to be on live to receive the gift. I might do one Lucid 50K eval worth $95. Flex. And then I might do one one Apex giveaway, 35, and then we'll do another one the following week. I want to spread it out a little bit because, you know, you got to wait 21 days before you can ask for these. All right, Tweak. Remember, first place probably gets you an extra entry. Not now, though, but at 4. At 4, I'll... Because I'm going to get off probably like 12. Eat a little bit on, and then I'll probably get on like 1 or 2 again. 132. You want your likes back? But you're trying to buy yourself back into, So don't like now. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's okay. I'm not getting anybody in here anyway. I don't understand why it punishes me so much. But yeah, 4 p.m. we'll do the giveaway. Because I don't give enough? What? Wow. Stevie, I hope you don't blow your account. I think I've given away like over like $3,000 or $4,000 already. $3K a month? Damn. Well, his followers are much more than me. I don't know. Maybe. What am I supposed to wear? Should I wear white? Dude, I don't know what's wrong, Stevie, because sometimes I get hundreds of... Well, I used to get hundreds, and I used to get, like, an average of 600 viewers. And then, I kept getting shadowed. And I got the TikTok agent, and now he's saying he doesn't understand why. And then they're just digging. Then they're like, "Oh, it's because you have trading in your name." And I'm like, "Bro, you look at all the other streamers, they all have trading in their name." Nico. Yeah, Mallory, what is that supposed to mean? It comes in waves, though. I could tell that this is a rough patch for a lot of you guys because I could tell with the affiliates. No, Mallory, I meant to say, you said the black. Maybe, I don't know.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Jefferson, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
I notice my viewership goes up a lot after 11 usually. We were just messing with you, Mallory. Thank you,
Shares
Nico.
US software companies advance. It'll be up 3.2%, Workday up 3.9%, and Salesforce up 3.5%.
Like, I'm just not gonna bug out anymore. Like, I'm just gonna focus on my money. If I don't get the viewership, I don't. I am gonna start trying to do the videos too. I've been trying to ask AI to see if I can help me get. All right, I might long this soon. But there's a lot of fucking resistance here. I don't know. Looks choppy. Yeah, I'm gonna make... It's very time consuming to make the video, so I need to do like clips. And then, so I used to try Opus. Opus sucked. Year long and in the drawdown. Yikes. On the 5th. Ooh, see, look, this would have been banging. Where did you get in long? Five-minute looks Gucci to go up, too, at the same time. But I feel like we need to go down a little lower, though, and then rip. Definitely fighting it, yeah. If it breaks below this, this won't be good. 285s. Oh, so it came back on you. Gotcha. Yeah, you didn't know that? I had both views on, so you can turn it sideways. Barracuda! I'm gonna delete this, though. It's too much. We get it's a cup and handle.
Apple extends gains to 1%.
Nvidia down 4%. Well, it's pretty big. Pretty big. And it's just chilling in the orb. That's why we're not having much movement. Yeah, the sideways is so much. You can see the whole screen. I need to start clipping. Either that or I need to pay somebody. Roxanne! Things gonna bat Nvidia. Chilling at a support level, either it breaks below or it bounces. I mean, it did fucking break down a lot. I would say it probably needs to come back down to like the 225 areas and then rip up. But it's in a weird spot. We're below that flat, like, excuse me, that cloud. Put on the red lights. I meant to say 225 flat. But it's kind of chilling, bouncing in this area. I mean, you do have a nice bully block here. But you have a lot of bully blocks here. So we'll see what happens if it starts ripping up or not. I have to put on the red lights. Looks like it wants to rip up.
US 7-year Treasury yields rise 10 basis points to 4.41% on the day.
Well, hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. Your
That was a monster candle.
Daddy?
Yay!
Is that you?
No. Is that you? I hope you're not a mean person. What, for NVIDIA? Let's see. Yeah, kind of. I mean, this line here was pretty obvious too. Fucking just snapped. What happened was, when they went to China, they were talking about, fucking Taiwan, and I think it scared them. Trying to see if that's... I don't really see a head and shoulders. It's a little sloppy. Try the 30-minute. Thanks, Black Diamond. I was born like this. Came out scraping my mom's. Woohoo. Yeah, straight fucking back down for NVIDIA. But we're back on the 150, you know? So on the 30 minutes. So this is... Go to the 1 hour. Yeah, like this could bounce up pretty good here. You can see that it's on a block too. You see it right here. Let's see. Yeah, so 50 minutes from now. Let's see what happened at 10. What happened at 10? What's that stupid thing to say? Accumulation. Manipulation. And then this should rip up, right? Let's see if it does it on the Nasdaq. accumulation, manipulation, distribution. I might go back up like 570s today if that's like the truth. The power of three, they call it. Johnny! Been at work since market open. Hopefully I can hit some in Asia. Asia's been whack, bro. Mr. Dad! Yeah, his PA's trash. That's good. Some people strive in Asia. I need the movement. It all depends, you know. If it's moving good, no problem. All I need is price to move. That's it. It's when you get in and it goes fucking sideways forever. That's what pisses me off. Yeah, it is pretty annoying. But it seems like that one massive candle up in the short. Gonna be. Got audio working. Some reason I couldn't hear you. I don't know. Some people have been having issues with Discord. I don't know why. Mo Money. I like the name. Mo Money. I'll be doing a giveaway today at 4, guys. Make sure you guys are on for live. I'll make the announcement when I get off. Probably get off at 12. I'll take like an hour and a half break. And then I'll get back on for at least 2. I'm gonna do one Lucid 50K flex giveaway. And then I'll probably do one Apex 35 one Apex Cash App. What a cash shit. What a stash shit. Yeah, Apex is a little bit high, the activation fee. I agree. I actually told them that because he asked me why my affiliate money went down. And I said, like, other than it is a rough market period, but I said your activation fee is a little high. But they're the only company where you can make 120 G's a month. So. User 13, 30-minute order block, long at the block. If anything, I got a short on it. Agreed. But if you're still learning and having difficulty passing the evals, I think it's your better bang for your buck. Does that make sense? So like, because you know, like you're gonna fail. Not like you're gonna fail, but like there's a chance that you can fail. You mastered the evals? Oh, so then the rest of it's fucking all in your head. Maverick says, nothing tilts me like Chop. Yeah, I'm staying out of this shit. So I can get a better picture here. Oh, there's a nice order block over here. I see what you're saying, user 13. From yesterday. Yeah, that does look nice. But it is kind of like it fought here for a minute. I see what you're saying. More of a continuation trader. So I like to adapt both ways, you know what I mean? So if it's gonna continuation, I got an indicator for that. If it's gonna chop around, we got semi-indicator for that. Let's see how it reacts around 368s, 380s. This level's been so whatever. Yes, correct. But you know, in this market, it could be chopping to a fucking huge ass, big ass, whatever. But also the range is insane too. The range is like 300 points. Exactly. It's been difficult to follow throughs. Oh. I wanna rock with you. Maverick says, I should have sized down, but I didn't. Goodbye account. Yikes. Yeah. This was pretty crazy, the movements. Let's look at the morning time. It was like 290. Oh. What is that? Almost like fucking 200 point swings? Crazy. Crazy. Gold? Gold was going sideways for a bit. Oh, now it's moving a little bit. I would say probably 539s or lower. Maybe 33, 33.4. I'm famous now? What do you mean? $360 idea? Let's see, hold on.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Mallory paying for my rent. My electric bill. Thank you for the heart. I appreciate it.
Oil prices rise more than $3 a barrel on fears of renewed US-Iran combat.
What the fuck? Still moving slow though. Like it's going sideways. What's up, Patrick Dunn? You already up 3K? Yeah, we're chilling. I haven't traded in a few minutes here. It's been really slow. So this is kind of like a range, right? So I might get in to see around the bottom here. You're in long at 311? Uh-oh. I wouldn't get in long until 285s. $30 was good. Actually was along there, but that's micro, you know? Like a light. Like a light. I need the... Here we go. Great song. Don't fear the reaper.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Ali, welcome to the soul, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Come on, baby. Oh, you know what I was gonna do? I'm thinking about freezing my one Apex account. I think I'm at max payout right now. I needed 11% day. To get the max payout. So I'm thinking about locking it out and then get that payout. So I'm at 86%, and that was yesterday, and now I got what? I got $974. That's got to be enough. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, I think I'm gonna change it. Let me change the account. Yeah, I gotta log out of this too. 2 seconds, guys. Sorry. I should, right? Go to the AI. I'm gonna do that now. You're so right. Gotta change this though. Come on, baby. I would be pissed $7 away. Let's see. Let's ask AI. If I made $974, am I at the 100%? Change anything? What? I'm only at 98. Maybe you're right, Mallory. Fuck, and there's my fucking entry to short. You might be right. So I'm at 86%. I feel like that should be enough, bro. I wanted to go back up so I can get... Alright, we're gonna short one there. Yeah, I did the consistency. It could go to 381. There's a couple spots here. What makes you want to go short is there's an order block here straight across, rips up. You get a hammer candle here, straight denial, and it completely breaks down. Now, where it breaks down to is the opinion is where I gotta figure out. But I think we go down pretty good. We should at least get to 320s. Come on. Fucker. That 40%. It might be looking at this stupid thing here. I hate when it does this shit. See, now we're at 61%. If you look in this small ass swing.
US 10-year Treasury yields rise 10 basis points to 4.58% on the day.
There goes my 900. No, I still think we're good. I don't see why this doesn't come down as the bigger one, which would be around 306s. Let's see. Could have. I mean, I'm hoping it's not the small one, it's the bigger one. It is kind of grinding though, so it might rip up. This is annoying. There's another bully block right here at 403s. Don't want to hold it to it, but it could go up, tap it, and then rip down. Thank you. Yeah, it's annoying. But I should be okay. It did this yesterday where it play games and then it would just rip down. You're long in gold? I don't want to switch charts yet, but see how it just keeps getting eaten up? See, if it's this swing point, we're right at the 50% now. If it's the bigger one, we got a good drop coming. Jolene! Jolene! We'll take out one just in case. Alright, we're out one. Because this could be the rejection zone. It kind of looks like it. If it breaks above this, it's gonna long. Yeah, okay. I might actually scalp this up. Just a scalp, guys. Watch it rip down to my normal spot. Jolene, Jolene. Nothing, bro. My prop codes has been so small. I'm like, it's probably $100. Yeah, I don't make that much.
Daddy?
I make like $2
Daddy,
every
is
time
that
somebody
you?
uses code.
Is that you? King, thanks for the follow. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
That's what I'm saying. I only recommend the ones I use. I don't like go crazy with anything. I mean, sometimes I'll make 1,000 a month. Dude, here's the original fucking move I wanted. You fucktard. I fucking knew it. I'm so stupid. Fucking huge loss there. 250. Hopefully it'll hold though. Okay, so it says my efficiency is good if I was to close it. So hopefully I can get it back up and then we'll stop trading that one account because that'll get us a payout.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Bro, I've been trading for a long time. Please don't try to tell me what to do. I'm sorry. I'm annoyed right now. I'm sorry on this drop. I fucking knew it. We're at the 78% now. I don't want to just get in one more. I do look at the 5. I do look at the 5. It's probably at that cloud. We're below it again, the cloud. Fucking thing, bro. Fuck you. This is all Stevie's fault. Oh, he got off. Good. He can't talk shit. So I'm going to bank on this one here. This is the 78% pullback. We should get a bounce here. Yeah, if it goes down lower than 250, I won't like it. Well, if it closes below it. But we're at the 78% on this swing, so we should get a little bounce. Hopefully I can get myself
US
green
5-year
here and get the
Treasury
fuck
yields
out.
rise 10 basis points on the day to 4.25%.
Because I want to close this one because I can get a payout if we get back to green. I should have taken profit. I'm struggling to learn. You should probably maybe like do the live trailing drawdown kind of thing. I use Lucid and Apex. It's not live. It's three accounts, 3 funded accounts. All I need to do is break above 298s. It should rip through 300s. Yeah, the follow-throughs are ass today, Mallory. It's deciding what it wants to do. Alright, there we go. It should go up. I mean, that was a little bit weak sauce here. I needed to pop up just a little more. Like 296s. God, this is not looking that great. I need this to fucking bounce. Got 7 seconds left. Fuck. Come on. There we go. Right back through the orb high here. It needs to rip up. Gonna fight this orb high at 291s. Come on! fucking bitch, dude. Fuck you. That hurt. That fucking hurt. Gotta squeeze my squishy ball, man. That fucking hurt. It's the bigger one. The fucking bigger one. $20. Things meal. Hopefully for 1 minute. I hope I get a banger here. If this can reject here, then we're gonna go long again. The funded account? Yeah, it's... What do you mean? All that time I put into this. I don't do live because the amount of money I make on funded, it's perfectly fine.
US oil hits intraday high, trades near $105.
Got 30 seconds left. I feel like I want to go long, but... $30 gave me long. 1 minute still didn't hit yet, but I want to get in a decent price. Alright, Cowboy. Cowboy, I'm doing a giveaway at 4. If you want to be here. Fuck is this song? It's area showing rejection again. Just like it was here before. Hopefully it goes up though. Because we can get up to about 308s. I don't know, guys. Ah! Fucking so mad at myself. It's still holding. We do have one more level at 222s. This is your fault, Castanis. We're back into the middle of the fucking orb today again. I should have stuck my original theory. I think you guys started convincing me a little bit that I might go long. I gotta ignore you guys sometimes. I think it's at an area of another bounce, but again, it hasn't given me a bounce on the 1 minute. There you go. We can go above 250s, then it's back up. I want to add in, but 15 minutes, it looks bearish. So, in my opinion, it's actually both. A lot of times I see is when it rips down, makes a lower low, and then rips above the cloud, it usually comes back down, manipulates, and then will rip back up. So we might be into that long zone. We just hit that 5-minute mid too. Like, that's pretty bullish. I think it was just fucking soul collecting. And there it is. Got out, Kasanis? You said fuck this? It looks better now. Much better now. Should go up higher. I don't want to like be greedy. I should just play the 1 minute. The 30-second fucked me. Even though 30 seconds is down twice, we got our Soul Collector here, though. High or low? Antonio. Okay, all right. Get to the 61%. Past the 150. Passing the orb. Oof. Antonio, I don't know. I'm like mixed reviews. When Trump went to go visit China, it seems like some good deals were made, but also like a little bit of, hey, you're gonna leave us alone with Taiwan, and then USA is also like, are we really or are we not? So I feel like it's mixed. Come on, boner candle. Boner candle. Boner candle. You're bearish? Why are you bearish? Overvalued? I want it to be a little bit more overvalued because you know there's going to be a little bit of bad news coming soon. And then it'll even out. Yo, SpaceX IPO, there's going to be people burned on that shit. Yeah, it's going to be worth a lot, but you know people are going to chase that shit. Honestly, there might be one that comes up to the mid-range here of 29.33s, but we got to wait. Fucking look at the 5-minute, dude. Are you kidding me with that? Right at the fucking orb. Huge candles, dude. Huge candles. Come on, bounce out this fair value gap. We got 50 seconds left with this 5-minute candle. I'm going to say if this closes below the orb and then it breaks down, it's probably going to be bearish or choppiness because we're below the orb high again. That sucks. I'm going to have to do break even. Yep. Yeah, it's trying to soul collect people. That's what it's doing. So now we're in between.
Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Jalen, welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
All right, we're holding this a little bit. Needs to rip past. Put this right below this low. That previous candle, that will be my trailing stop loss. See the 5 minutes, so it's like this is gonna be the line here. I think we could take out one right at this midline. 300s. I really thought I was gonna rip all the way up. It should. I don't see why it doesn't. It's gonna make a decision now. There's a bearish fair value gap and a green fair value gap. Uh-oh. Not good. I'm just gonna close it. You little fucker. Pretty annoying. Let me see how much money, Stevie, don't get me upset right now. I'm asking AI if I can, if I have enough for the 50%.
So from the Times, the Labour Party panel allows Manchester's Burnham's UK Parliament run.
I've actually done pretty well on Fridays, I think.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Damn, see this fucking ripped up on me. Getting choppy again, guys. I think it says I'm good. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna not trade the one Apex account. Because I'm up $4,178, so I qualify for a payout tonight. So I'm gonna take that off and only trade the other two. It says I'm at 48% consistency, so I'm okay, I think.
So a US State Department official cited by Al Jazeera says the atmosphere of the second day of the Lebanon-Israel talks is extremely positive and exceeded expectations.
What I like about you. Alright, I'm gonna go long here. This is gonna be a scalp. Scalp, scalp, scalp. It's bouncing off the bully block. Okay, jeez. Uh-huh. How you get that bullish block there? This is my indicator I personally coded, but the criteria for my order block is, you know, you got to have a bullish candles along with fair value gaps on both sides, and that's how you get the bullish candles there. The bully blocks. Easier said than done though, so that's why I coded it. All right, this is really choppy. All right, I'm going to get off for a little bit. I'll probably be on at 1:30 or 2. I will be giving a giveaway today at 4 o'clock live. So if you're not there, you're a loser. All right, I'll make the announcement in Discord. Usually, you know, Mr. Dad, that made me feel good inside.
Daddy, is that you?
You're my dad.
Is that you? Vaughn, welcome to the show, Daddy.
So what usually happens is it's in the bio. Links in the bio. If you can't, if it doesn't work, just copy and trade it. Copy and put it into Google. It should pop up. What I usually do is I'll make you interact. I gotta take a little break. I've been on what, three hours. Need a little break. Feel a little nauseous too for some reason. Your daughter graduated high school yesterday? Damn. Getting old, bro. You're getting old. Yeah, me too. I keep thinking I'm 38, but I'm 37. September I'll be 38. If it makes you feel better, my daughter annoyed the shit out of me yesterday at college. We had to move her out. She didn't pack anything. She didn't pack anything. I was so mad. And it's not like a little dorm, it's a full apartment. Yeah, so what usually happens, I'll post a Discord, and then you guys do the fire interaction, and then you guys gotta at least subscribe to one of my channels. It would be cool if you guys subscribe to all my channels. Yeah, I'll be back on 1:30 or 2. I'm gonna chill, take a break. The price actually is getting a little choppy. I gave back $1,000, so I did lock one of my accounts. I'm guaranteed a payout, so that is good. But I'll be back in a little bit, all right?